Welcome again to EME613, Open Learning Environments and Artificial Intelligence. This is the first module. I just wanted to take you through how each module is set up. If you're looking at this overview, you can see that we typically put together an introductory overview for you. Your professors often collaborate to create your courses, so you may see guest speakers provide videos or interactive content in modules to share expertise with you using an array of perspectives and expertise. The videos shouldn't be too long. Of course, you can fast forward or break them up as you see fit. In the modules, you can look forward to readings and videos to watch and reflect on. And when I say reflect, I mean that as you read and watch the videos, of course, they're there to build your knowledge and guide you in applying new skills. And consider the PLC, often Yellow Dig, as a community engagement interactive. It's more than just a discussion board. It's really a class community where we can talk and build on our learning with and from each other. Vygotsky is many of your professors' superhero, our brain hero, and if you have read anything about Vygotsky, he was the researcher, the cognitive scientist, who came up with the notion of the zone of proximal development, which suggests that our brain learns through problem solving, to help us get to that next level, essentially. Have you ever had the situation where you're thinking about something and you just can't get further with your thinking? And then you might be talking to someone about it and they say something and you go, aha, that's right. And then your thinking goes on, or maybe you're doing a puzzle and you just can't figure it out, or reading a set of instructions and then someone comes along and says, oh, what about this? What about this? And you go, that light bulb goes on. You say, oh, wow, yes. And then you go on. That's how psychological tools, how language, how more knowledgeable peers work to stimulate us in solving problems and then get us to higher order thinking. The aha experience. Buehler, 1907, coined the term, and Kizilirmak et al., 2016, have further studied the concept. That's what our professional learning community, PLC, like Yellow Dig, is all about. For us to interact about the content with each other, to add to and support each other, to ask questions, to say, hey, I found this theory applies to using this resource, etc., etc. And the more we do that on our PLC, the more points there are for you. So going back to what's in front of you with the overview, there are readings and videos, and then right at the end, I want you to do a treasure hunt. A treasure hunt on open education resources. And of course, every module you'll have concepts and assignments to post and discuss on the PLC. Hopefully you've gone through the introductory pages, which provide some background on the PLC. Of course, sign on to the PLC and ask if you have questions. Start there, but of course I'm always here for you if you don't get a response there. Contact me then through email. So good luck with this module. I look forward to seeing you develop your thinking on the PLC. And let's start reading a bit about open educational resources and what that means for us and where we're at with our own learning in IDT. Bye for now.